Follow these tips to cook a thin pan pizza using a Sizzler cast iron pan in a gas-fired pizza oven. First, preheat the gas pizza oven and cast iron Sizzler pan. Set your gas pizza oven to between 600 degrees Fahrenheit and 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 315 degrees Celsius and 426 degrees Celsius. Gas ovens have direct flame exposure, which is great for fast high heat cooking. Before you place your pan in the oven, season it with oil. This protects the pan and also prevents the dough from sticking. Place the empty cold cast iron pan inside the gas oven to heat it for about 10 minutes whilst the oven is preheating. This step is important as it will help you achieve a crispy crust base. It also ensures the pan is hot enough to start cooking the dough, and that leads us on to the next tip. You will need to prepare the dough now whilst the pan is heating up in the oven. Grab your ball of dough and roll it into a thin circle or rectangle, depending on your pan shape. A thin crust works best for a crispy pan-style pizza. Next, you need to prepare the pan. Once the oven and pan are preheated, carefully remove the cast iron pan. Use oven gloves because it's going to be hot. Assemble the pizza in the pan carefully by placing the rolled out dough into the hot, oiled cast iron pan. Carefully and quickly add your desired sauce, cheese and toppings. Since the pan is hot, the dough will begin cooking immediately. Cut away any excess dough from the edges of the pan. Using gloves, put the pan pizza back into the preheated gas pizza oven. Bake for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven's heat and the thickness of your pizza. Watch for the cheese to melt and bubble and the crust edges to become golden brown. Because gas ovens produce intense heat, especially with an open flame, the pizza will cook quickly. Monitor it closely to prevent burning. You will need to rotate the pan halfway through cooking to ensure even browning on the crust, as gas ovens can have hot spots near the flame. Because of the direct flame in gas ovens, you will need to keep an eye on the pizza to prevent any burning, especially around the edges. Check to see if the pizza is ready. You will know this when the crust is crisp and golden and the cheese is bubbling. The dough on the base of the pan was already cooking when you placed it in the oven, so no need to check that. Once you have checked that all sides of the pizza are cooked, carefully remove the pan from the oven using gloves and let the pan pizza rest and cool down for a few minutes before removing it. When it's ready, transfer the pizza to your cutting board. The pan pizza should slip out of the pan easily with a solid cooked crunchy base. Cut up your pan pizza, serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up to support the channel and the algorithm. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!